Hello, my Zathorians. I am here to make another update vlog type thing. I haven't made an update vlog since the beginning of this month, which will be over tomorrow. But I have been working for about the past 3 weeks now. I'm making some good money. I made a creepypasta about two weeks ago, I think. But the videos have been very sparse, as I said in my other vlog. I got about a month of work left, maybe three and a half weeks, something like that. But I'm probably around 40% of the way towards my gaming PC, gaming rig that I'm going to try to build myself. I may not have enough money to do that. I'm going to try to, but there may be some better deals. I'm not sure, but I'm going to look around, and I will definitely do that though, you guys. I'm saving every penny I can. It's being kind of difficult, but I'm trying my best, and I will do it. I'm holding to that for you guys, because I love you guys, and I love making videos for YouTube. I've just been so busy and so tired. You can probably tell by the way I look. I am graduated now. I graduated May 22nd, 2015. So that was 9 days ago. Been working every day since. Planning on going to college still. Trying to get that stuff figured out as well. It's getting hot here, as you can see with my fan down there. It's getting pretty hot in Michigan. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be doing tons of games for you guys. You guys can request them if you want. Probably when I get my gaming rig built, I'll make a video asking you guys what you want me to play, because I got tons of games on my Steam, and there's games like Game Jolt and things like that, free-to-play ones, you know, things like that. And I'll also be streaming every Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time of a random game, one I want to play, one you guys want me to play, something like that. Something fun though, every Saturday, and then I'll have weekly games I'll do every week as well. Got a couple things planned, but for the most part, it'll be what you guys want me to do, a few things I want to do, and just many various fun games. I'll collab with other people. I got a couple people I'm going to be collabing with, a couple of my friends, a couple people from around the world, other YouTubers, small, some bigger. But it's gonna be fun, you guys. It's gonna be a big thing for me going into this bigger YouTube thing. I'm gonna be making a video every single day, guaranteed, at least one video a day, starting as soon as I get my gaming rig built or bought. Whatever works. Hopefully built though. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for sticking with me through all of this, you guys. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Every single 525 of you. I love you all. You're all amazing. You've all been amazing to me. And about another month of no videos, you guys. But after that, expect at least one every single day, and they will be high quality. They will be longer, 20-30 minutes. 1080p, just fantastic, you guys. When I get my rig built. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.